In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Myself, Malaika Asif, and today I am going to discuss the most important topic of agencies for conservation of biodiversity. What is the purpose of agencies for conservation of biodiversity? Their purpose is environmentalism, conservation, ecology. So, moving towards the most important agency for conservation of biological diversity is WWF, World Wildlife Fund. History of WWF. It is created on September 11, 1961 by Sir Julian Huxley. It is created because of Huxley's concern for endangered species being hunted and the destruction of their habitats. Have to create more than 500 parks and protected areas in Africa, America, and Asia. The WWF is an international non governmental organization founded in 1961 that works in the field of wilderness preservation and the reduction of human impact on the environment. It was formerly named the World Wildlife Fund, which remains in official name in Canada and the United States. WWF is the world's largest conservation organization with over 5 million supporters worldwide, working in more than 100 countries and supporting around 3,000 conservation and environmental projects. WWF was the driving force behind the international ban of ivory trading in 1990. The panda is the logo because the founders believed that it was a strong, recognizable symbol for the universe to understand. WWF have political campaigns to help reach their goals such as push for an ocean protection treaty, US activists stop imports of illegal wood, give thanks to Kansas for bold climate change actions. WWF is a foundation with 55% of funding from individuals, 19% from the government sources, and 8 from the corporation in 2014. Political goals continued. Take actions to stop drilling in Bristol Bays, help lions, snow leopards, and more choose good wood and save our forest. Say yes to sustainable seafood. WWF does not endorse and renounce political candidates. They try and focus on their goals to help the earth and its living inhabitants and environment. WWF focus on many animals, but they mainly focus on the flagship species, giant pandas, tiger, endangered whales and dolphins, elephants, marine turtles, and great apes. WWF has business partners such as Toyota, Animal Planet, Walt Disney Company, Coca-Cola Company, etc. WWF aims to stop the degradation of the planet's natural environment and to build a future in which humans live in harmony with nature. What WWF do in Pakistan? WWF Pakistan carries out conservation work according to the Global Program Framework. The framework includes biodiversity and human footprint meta goals, protecting endangered species in Pakistan. What WWF do in Pakistan? The most important questions arises here. WWF was helping to protect the Pakistan's threatened forest, incredible wildlife, and precious fresh water and other natural resources. As a WWF Pakistan member, you will be the voice for snow leopards, Indus River dolphins, and other wildlife that cannot speak for themselves. WWF Pakistan Project. WWF Pakistan has an average of 30 active projects implanted throughout the Pakistan to achieve nature conservation and sustainable developmental goals. Following are the categories in which WWF is working, such as forest, water, wildlife, oceans, climate, and conditions. No longer limited to conserving forests and protecting species, its projects now include promotion of water stewardship in Pakistan, managing watershed in Western Himalayas, working with communities to protect in this river dolphin and promoting such as sustainable use of marine sources. At the end, I would like to conclude my presentation in few words. World Wildlife Fund wants to improve the environment of the earth and help to protect many animals and especially endangered. Thank you so much for listening.